Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share my red velvet cake recipe with you. So please do well to subscribe, like and share this video if you have not yet subscribed, and also do well to click on the notification bell and leave a comment. Okay, let's get started. We are going to make use of flour, soft flour. We are going to make use of sugar. We are going to make use of beetroots. I will leave the list of the ingredients and its quantities in the description box. So we are going to use olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. We are using milk, salt, baking powder, vanilla, and also bitter cocoa powder. So I'm going to strain my flour with the baking powder, the salt, and also the bitter cocoa powder. Okay, so I make use of 2 tablespoons. At the end of the day, everything in the container amounts to 2 tablespoons. Okay, that is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'll mix everything and then strain it to get particles, any form of particles from it. Okay, please check the description box for the list of the ingredients and its quantities. Okay, and do well to subscribe if you have not yet done so. We'll set it aside. We'll pour it into the bowl and set it aside. So I've cracked all my 6 eggs into a bowl, and I'm going to pour it into my blender. And so for this cake, we are going to make use of blender. Okay, and I'm adding my sugar to it. I'm also going to add the beetroots to it, and I'm going to blend it a bit. Then I will add my oil and milk to it. You can make use of margarine or butter. You can melt the margarine and the butter and add it, but I chose to use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Okay, I'm going to add my vanilla flavor also to it, and then I'm going to blend this into a smooth form. Okay, please do well to click on the notification bell. It helps whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, so we are done blending. I'm going to pour, but I'll leave a little in the blender, and I'm going to add this pink color to it. Yes, you can use only the color without the beetroot. You can also use only the beetroot without the color, but I wanted it a bit more deep. But bear in mind that if you are using only the beetroot, then your cocoa powder reduce the amount. You can use at least 1 tablespoon. That'll be okay. So this is it. So we are at this point going to add dry ingredient to it, and we'll add it in small quantities and mix everything together. Please do well to subscribe and share this video, like and comment. Okay, click on the notification bell. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. This video was requested by one of my favorite ladies, Dr. Boatinjani. Yes, she requested for this video, and so I'm making it for her and anyone watching me there. I want to say thank you to all of you for your support. Okay, and so we mix everything together to get it very smooth. Make sure you mix it in a way that you will not find any lumps in it. It should be very, very smooth. Yes, so this is it. This is going to be in a sponge cake form. So the eggs that I use 6, you can decide to reduce it to 4, but I wanted it more soft. And make sure that your cake pan, you grease it with margarine and then sprinkle a bit of flour in it. It makes it easy to turn when your cake is baked. Okay, so we are going to bake this in my gas oven on a medium heat for 30 minutes, or between 25 and 30 minutes. So when it's 20 minutes, I'll put off the down fire. That is the fire at the down there. So 30 minutes is up, and our cake is baked. So 20 minutes, I put off one of the fire. One is up, one is down. I put the down one off and then left the upper one for 10 minutes. And so our cake has cooled down and we are going to turn it now. Okay, so this is it. Yes, our red velvet cake. Okay, so this is it. Very sumptuous. You can add some icing to it. So we are going to cut into 8 and then we are going to enjoy this cake. It's one of my favorites. The softness, everything is like wow, and my family, they really enjoy this. And I know if you follow the exact measurements or the quantities in the description box, you are going to love it. See, very soft and easy to handle. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video.